Have you ever found yourself in a situation where, despite your best efforts, someone important to you keeps choosing others over you? It's frustrating, even painful, to watch people you value direct their attention, time, or affection elsewhere. But what if I told you that the Stoics mastered a method for making others not just notice, but value you in a way that no one else can replace? This isn't about manipulation. It's about cultivating traits that naturally draw others towards you. In this video, we're going to break down powerful Stoic principles that can help you become the person they choose, without ever needing to demand it. 1. The power of quiet confidence. Quiet confidence is a strength that speaks for itself, needing no boasting or showiness. Unlike loud or attention-seeking behaviors, quiet confidence comes from a deep sense of self-assurance and self-respect. This type of confidence doesn't demand validation from others. It's grounded in knowing your own worth and capabilities. When you embody quiet confidence, you naturally attract people who are drawn to your calm and stable presence. This self-assured energy creates a sense of reliability, making others feel safe and valued around you. In challenging or uncertain situations, people often look to those who can stay grounded, trusting them to remain composed and resilient. From a Stoic perspective, quiet confidence is essential. The Stoics believed in cultivating inner strength and resilience, not for external recognition, but for personal integrity and stability. This approach to confidence means that you don't need to prove yourself constantly. Instead, you can focus on your personal growth and actions. By practicing this quiet form of confidence, you stand out effortlessly in a world filled with noise. People will begin to appreciate and choose you because you bring a calm, assured presence that isn't dependent on others' approval. In this way, quiet confidence becomes your strongest tool in building authentic, lasting relationships. Show composure, not emotion. In high-stress or competitive situations, the majority of people react impulsively. They might become anxious, frustrated, or overly eager to prove themselves. But standing out doesn't require a louder voice or heightened emotions. It requires composure. Imagine two people in a challenging situation. One is visibly agitated and reactive, while the other remains calm and collected. The calm individual will immediately command more respect and attention. People gravitate towards those who exude inner stability, as this creates a sense of trust and dependability. The Stoics called this steady, peaceful state ataraxia, or freedom from disturbance. It's the art of keeping a calm mind regardless of external chaos. When you practice staying composed, especially when others are stressed, you become a rare source of comfort and clarity. This presence signals to others that you can be relied upon, even when things get tough. In relationships, friendships, or work environments, this ability to control your reactions is magnetic. It assures people that with you, they'll find a rock in any storm. By focusing on composure over emotional reactivity, you embody a grounded strength that others find compelling, encouraging them to choose you as a steady influence in their lives. Practice empathy with boundaries. Empathy is a powerful way to connect with others, but to truly make an impact, it must come with boundaries. Practicing empathy doesn't mean sacrificing your own values or bending to please everyone. Instead, it involves deeply listening, showing understanding, and responding thoughtfully to others' needs and feelings. When people feel understood, they feel valued and respected in your presence, making them more likely to prioritize a relationship with you. However, empathy without boundaries can quickly lead to burnout and even resentment. The Stoics believed that a person should be compassionate yet grounded, maintaining control over their own emotions. Setting clear boundaries is a way to respect yourself, demonstrating that you have standards and limits. Boundaries show others that while you care, you're not willing to compromise your own well-being or values. This balance empathy combined with self-respect creates a dynamic where people feel genuinely supported, yet understand they can't overstep. They'll naturally value you more because they sense both your compassion and your strength. Over time, people are more likely to choose and prioritize a relationship with someone who is kind yet confident enough to protect their own energy. 4. Become a pillar of integrity. In a world where honesty can seem rare, integrity shines like a beacon. People naturally gravitate towards those they can trust, and integrity is the foundation of that trust. The Stoics valued integrity as one of the highest virtues, living in alignment with your values and principles, regardless of who is watching or what you might gain. Being a person of integrity means that your actions match your words. You follow through on promises and stand by what you say. When people see you as someone who doesn't compromise values for short-term gains or social approval, they feel safe around you. They know that with you, there's no pretense or hidden motives. This doesn't just attract people, it creates lasting, meaningful connections built on respect and trust. Over time, integrity makes you a person people choose because they know your loyalty is genuine and you'll stand by them through any challenge. In a competitive world where people often change to fit in, integrity is refreshingly rare. By embodying it, you not only earn others' respect, but also inspire them to hold themselves to higher standards. This strength in character not only makes people choose you, but also allows you to lead by example. Be fully present when you're together. In a world where distractions are everywhere, constant notifications, endless to-do lists, and the urge to multitask, genuine presence has become increasingly rare. But being fully present with someone is one of the most powerful ways to make them feel valued and respected. When you're with someone, show that they have your undivided attention. Put away your phone, maintain eye contact, and listen actively, focusing not only on their words, but also on their emotions and body language. This kind of presence communicates that the moment with them truly matters to you. The Stoics emphasized that the only time we truly have is the present moment. By immersing yourself in the present with someone, you're showing that you understand the value of each shared experience. This is incredibly meaningful to others. They'll sense that they're important in your life, and they'll naturally start to gravitate towards you because they won't find that level of genuine attention elsewhere. Being fully present fosters trust and deepens connections. It shows others that you're not looking for distractions, but are committed to experiencing life with them. Over time, they'll choose you over others because they'll associate your presence with a feeling of being truly seen and heard. 6. Build a life you love independently. One of the most powerful ways to attract others is by building a life you genuinely love, completely independently. Instead of seeking validation from others, focus on creating a life that excites and fulfills you on its own. When people see that you're committed to your own dreams, ambitions, and self-improvement, it's both inspiring and attractive. The Stoics referred to this state as eudaimonia, which means living in harmony with your true self. When you pursue your own goals with passion and dedication, you demonstrate self-sufficiency, a rare quality that draws people in. Living independently doesn't mean isolating yourself. It's about having a purpose that makes you feel whole. This purpose-driven mindset shows others that you're confident in your path, which makes you naturally appealing. People are attracted to those who are content and thriving in their own space, as it signifies resilience, strength, and a clear sense of self. They'll choose to be around you not because you need them, but because they feel uplifted by your energy and inspired by your journey. Ultimately, living independently fosters respect and admiration, leading others to value you even more. 7. Radiate a calm and grounded energy. In a world filled with constant noise, distractions, and chaos, the ability to stay calm and grounded is increasingly rare and remarkably attractive. When you bring a calm, centered presence into a room, it creates a natural sense of peace that others are instinctively drawn to. According to Stoic principles, true inner peace comes from acceptance and understanding, not from trying to control everything around you. This means focusing on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and reactions, and letting go of things beyond your influence. When you embody this grounded energy, you become a source of stability. People feel safe and reassured around someone who isn't easily rattled by challenges or stressful situations. It's this quality that can make you stand out among others, as those around you sense they can depend on you during difficult times. By practicing patience, mindfulness, and acceptance in everyday moments, you cultivate an energy that radiates serenity and strength. People are naturally drawn to this presence, and they may find themselves choosing to be around you because they feel comforted, supported, and even inspired by your calmness. Over time, this calm energy becomes part of who you are, making you someone others deeply value. Now that you know these Stoic principles for becoming the one people choose, it's time to put them into practice. Don't seek validation. Instead, become the kind of person others respect and are drawn to without force. If this resonated with you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into Stoic wisdom for mastering life. Let's continue this journey together to become our best selves, one principle at a time.